Are you searching for a powerful prayer to bring peace, health, and blessings into your life? Look no further, as this ancient wazifa has been used for centuries to bring divine assistance. If you're facing difficulties in your life, whether it's in health, wealth, or relationships, turning to Allah's guidance can provide immense peace and blessings. One powerful prayer you can use is derived from Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 50. This verse offers a deep connection with Allah's mercy. Begin by reading the verse Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 50, which translates as, "If you avoid the major sins that you are forbidden, we will remit from you your lesser sins and admit you to a noble entrance." This powerful prayer not only seeks Allah's forgiveness, but also opens the doors of His mercy. As you recite this verse, keep your heart focused and pray for peace and relief from your struggles. Remember, sincerity and belief in the power of prayer is key. Make this part of your daily routine and trust that Allah's blessings will start to manifest in your life. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows that you are the part of 0.01% who actually finished what they start. If you are serious about changing life, then make sure to join our movements by living us a follow.